How to factory reset your Windows. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just jump right in without any further delay. First thing first, you're going to have to access your settings. To do that, you can either right click on your Windows icon and head over to settings from here, or you could just search for settings on your search bar. Now, once you open up your settings, just head over to the system tab, and then from here, you're just going to have to find the storage option. Here on storage, it is a good way to back up your data before you completely factory reset this. So once you have backed up all of your files, then you are just going to have to scroll down a bit until you find this option called recovery and just click on this. Now from here under your recovery options, you have reset this PC option. You can choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Click on this reset option. And then from here, if you want to keep your files, you can choose the first option. And if you want to remove everything, choose the second option. But even if you choose the first one, it is always a good idea to back up all of your personal files so that it doesn't get lost. So from here, you could just go ahead and reset your PC from this. And that's how you completely factory reset your PC on Windows. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.